Hi, today in this video we are about to discuss the Mewin-Ponderoff-Worley reduction, which is shortly called MPV reduction. For better understanding, please don't skip this video and watch till the end. Before starting, if you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe to get notified. In this reduction, we are going to see the reaction and the mechanism, how it occurs, and the examples. Let's begin. Here this is a ketone which is treated with aluminum isopropoxide. In presence of isopropanol, the alcohol is obtained and acetone. This reaction is the reverse of the open air oxidation. Let's see the mechanism. See, this is the ketone or carbonyl compound. It attacks the aluminum, which is in the aluminum isopropoxide, forming this 6-member intermediate. Here this double bond will shift over here and this hydrogen will move over here, which is called hydride transfer, and the O will come over here forming the acetone, and rest of this will form this complex. After the hydrolysis, the alcohol is obtained. This reduction is for carbonyl compounds to alcohols with aluminum isopropoxide. This is the aluminum isopropoxide, has been known under the name of MPV reduction. The reaction is easily effected by heating the components together. These components are heated together in presence of isopropanol. An equilibrium is set up if the product is obtained by using excess of the reagent or distilling of the acetone is formed. This acetone is distilled to form this alcohol. The reaction is thought to proceed by hydride ion from the isopropoxide. This is the hydride ion which is transferred from the isopropoxide to the carbonyl compound. See, this is the carbonyl compound. This hydride is transferred to this carbonyl compound through a 6-member intermediate. This is the example which is taken from tetrahedron letters. Here the carbonyl compound is converted to alcohol, and you have also note that this alcohol is converted to ketone, which is carbonyl compound. Oxidation also happens and reduction also happens in this reaction. You see, this is aluminum isopropoxide in presence of toluene. They have reacted with this solvent. You see this example. This is a carbonyl compound which is converted to alcohol. This is the starting material which reacts with aluminum isopropoxide in presence of isopropanol. This lone pair of electrons in the oxygen attacks this aluminum, forming the 6-member intermediate. After that, this hydride transfer happens. After that, this bond will shift over here and this O will shift over here, forming this complex, and ketone acetone is distilled to form the desired product, which is alcohol, after hydrolysis of this compound. You see this example. This is the carbonyl compound in presence of aluminum isopropoxide. In presence of isopropanol, the toluene is the solvent. The ketone is converted to alcohol, and this is also this carbonyl compound is converted to alcohol, which is taken from organic letters. Reductions of similar type can be brought about the other metallic alkoxides, which means we are using aluminum alkoxide. We can also do it by other metallic alkoxide also, but it is particularly effective because it is soluble both in alcohols and hydrocarbons. This aluminum alkoxide is soluble in both alcohols and hydrocarbons, and it is a weak base, so it will not undergo wasteful condensation reactions of carbonyl compounds. This reaction also happens through LDA, which is lithium diisopropyl amide, which is a strong base. Therefore, it is normally advisable to avoid the use of LDA for enolization of aldehydes. If aldehyde is enolized, we should not use the LDA, and we have to use aluminum alkoxide in presence of usually aluminum isopropoxide in presence of isopropanol to form the alcohol from the aldehyde. These are some of the reference. The R.M. Kellogg in Comprehensive Organic Synthesis, and another is, this is very useful book, M.B. Smith and Jerry March, March's Advanced Organic Chemistry 5th edition, and you can also refer this book also, T. Lau A. Plagens Named Organic Reactions, which is by Wiley Publications, and A. Wills Organic Reactions. Thank you for watching this video. Like this video, share to your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any queries or doubts, please post it in the comment box. Have a good day.